RIT's innovative approach to education is transforming the way students prepare for the packaging industry. By seamlessly integrating print and graphic media technology into the packaging science program, RIT is ensuring that its graduates are equipped with the skills needed to thrive in a rapidly evolving market. This strategic move not only maintains the core strengths of RIT's print education but also expands its relevance in the packaging and converting industries, which are experiencing significant growth. Kyle Deneau, the Department Chair of Packaging and Graphic Media Science at RIT's College of Engineering Technology, emphasizes the importance of this integration. He states that the print and graphic media program has historically played a vital role in preparing students for leadership positions in printing, publishing, and media sectors. However, with the advancement of print technologies and the industry's evolution, RIT has taken a thoughtful approach to honor its legacy while adapting to future opportunities. This integration is a testament to RIT's commitment to providing students with a well-rounded education that meets the demands of today's industries. In 2022, the College of Engineering Technology combined its print and packaging science departments to better align with the growth in the package printing sector. This strategic move has led to the development of a newly aligned curriculum that offers a unique advantage to both prospective students and program graduates. The curriculum ensures that RIT graduates are prepared to lead in areas such as manufacturing, materials science, color management, and package printing technologies, which are increasingly vital in the fast-growing packaging sector. Conventional and digital printing processes remain at the core of the curriculum, with coursework covering pre-media, production workflows, converting technologies, process control, and variable data printing. These skills are applied to various packaging materials, including folding cartons, flexible packaging, labels, corrugated fiberboard, and metal decoration. Deneau highlights that this integration represents a natural progression for RIT's programs. As the industrial world shifts towards integrated packaging solutions, automation, and sustainability, RIT's approach allows it to honor its rich heritage in print education while embracing innovation in one of today's most dynamic industrial sectors. This integration is further supported by S. Manian Ramkumar, the Dean of the College of Engineering Technology. He emphasizes that by connecting core competencies from both print and packaging, RIT is ensuring that students gain hands-on, future-oriented experiences that align with the evolving workforce needs. The packaging and print faculty, researchers and professional staff at RIT continue to support the printing industry through their existing testing, research, and training services. These services will remain uninterrupted, ensuring a strong partnership with companies and professionals who rely on RIT's expertise. Additionally, RIT will continue to serve as the certifying body for ID Alliance G7 and G7 Plus color calibration programs, promoting the adoption of globally recognized color quality standards and processes. Kyle Deneau concludes by stating that this integration represents a natural and meaningful progression, honoring RIT's legacy, strengthening its industry relevance, and ensuring that students benefit from cutting-edge technology, hands-on learning, and real-world experience.